Hi, I'm Melanie Benson Strick, and I'm known as a virtual team building expert and the $1 Million Lifestyle Business Coach. You can find out more about our program at entrepreneursecretweapon.com. Now, I often hear from people who can't seem to get everything done, and they come to me with this common problem of, I've got a million things on my list. I'm working as hard and as fast as I thought I could ever possibly do, and I'm still not enjoying any freedom, and I'm absolutely not making the money I want. So if this is something that resonates for you, I want you to pay attention. I'm going to reveal to you one of my secret weapons to get more done in a week than most people do in a year. It's called delegation, and it's a way to harness the power of leverage to get yourself a six-figure boost. But I don't want you to just listen to me. I want to share with you an insight that one of my clients who took our virtual team building boot camp last year. Now, Shannon Cherry is a former journalist and a publicity consultant. She's got a great business model, but one of the things she found was, as a working mom, she only had so much time to be able to accomplish all the things on her plate. Now, Shannon took our virtual team building teleboot camp last year, and she recently reported that she doubled her time off for high payoff activities by implementing just 3 of the over 100 tools that we shared with her in the virtual team building teleboot camp. This resulted for her in a 36% increase in revenue, and she's forecasting another 40% increase this year. That's a total of 76% increase by simply mastering delegation and learning our easy tools. So why should you delegate? And this is a really important question for you to ask yourself, because just because I tell you it's going to work doesn't mean you should listen to me. So why should you delegate? First of all, you may recognize this poor guy up on the video now. This is a guy who's trying to do everything himself, and every line in this picture connotates an activity or a task that he's taking on, and you can see there's a lot of activity and very little results. This is called the Pareto principle, but it's not the way we want you to use it. 80% of his effort is going out, 20% and probably less is really the revenue coming back to him. This is absolutely an exhausting and overwhelming model, and by the way, it's one of the most common models that entrepreneurs all over the world use. Now, I want to teach you how to use my secret weapon so that your business can look like this. This is the model I want you to use. A happy entrepreneur who's able to delegate, automate, systemize, and replicate. So he's making tons of progress, getting lots done, and making a lot of money by simply leveraging the power of other people's strengths. This is the model that I teach in the Virtual Team Building Bootcamp, and that I'll be sharing with my listeners in the Entrepreneur's Secret Weapon call coming up soon. Now, what are the top 3 reasons that you should consider delegating? First of all, it's going to allow you to expand your bandwidth to accomplish more with less effort. And I think everybody knows the reason that's important. Secondly, this is the only way to exponentially grow your bottom line. And if you want to get more done, you simply have to come to terms with the fact you can't do it alone. And third, you're going to be able to get where you want to go faster in the most direct path possible. You're going to learn a lot of stuff from a lot of people out there, but is it going to get you to your desired results in the fastest, most direct path possible? In my experience, and in the experience of all that I've supported with this particular strategy, the one thing you have to get is you're going to be able to delegate better when you learn how to do it the right way first. So I'd like to extend an invitation to you to attend the Entrepreneur's Secret Weapon. And you can find out right now when the next session occurs by going to entrepreneursecretweapon.com. And in just 90 minutes, I'm going to help you discover a simple tweak that's going to add thousands of dollars to your bottom line while freeing you up to do what you do best. So I hope you'll join us. And remember, it's your job to put into action the highest payoff activities every day. If you don't know how to do that, you must be on this call.